in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Madison County, Carroll County, eastern Tippecanoe County, Clinton County, Howard County, northern Boone County, northern Hamilton County, Tipton County, northern Montgomery County, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:16 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Logansport to 11 miles northeast of Frankfort to 12 miles northwest of Lebanon, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Kokomo, Frankfort, Elwood, Tipton, Delphi, Windfall, Cicero, Sheridan, Greentown, Flora, Arcadia, Rossville, Chitlin, Dayton, Mulberry, Rushville, Kirkland, Linden, and Atlanta. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 148 and 174. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Carroll, Clinton, Hamilton, Howard, Madison, Montgomery, Tippecanoe, and Tipton. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County,